Hey all, welcome to Learn It. Today I'm going to share with you some different mnemonics for remembering the different arrangements of bacteria. So let's start with gram-positive cocci. So in gram-positive cocci, the most familiar name is Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. These two bacteria, they have got different arrangements. So they're distinguished by their arrangements. So here you have Staphylococcus arranged in clusters and Streptococcus which are arranged in chains. Right. So how do you remember that Staphylococcus is arranged, Staphylococcus is arranged like in the is a grape-like cluster form, right? So how do you remember this? Always remember that, staff always come in clusters, right? Staff of something we say. So just like we say a bunch of grapes, we say staff of something, a herd of cows or something like that. So this is staff is always for cluster. What about strep? So when I say the word strep, remember it is strip. And you know that strip is always like thin and it's something similar to a chain. So you remember that cluster arrangement is for staphylococcus and chain arrangement is for streptococcus by remembering this strip for strep. Alright, moving on to arrangement in pairs. So enterococcus and pneumococcus cocci are both arranged in pairs. So enterococcus is arranged in short chains. It's spectacle shaped. All right. Pneumococcus is basically the bacteria which causes pneumonia. Pneumococcus, the other name for it is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Strep pneumoniae, and you know that Streptococcus is always arranged in chains, right? Just a modification, it's arranged in uh, pairs. Alright, moving on to Micrococcus. Micrococcus is arranged in tetrads. How do you remember that? Just count the number of C's in it. So how many C's does it have? It has 4 C's. So 4 C's for tetrad arrangement. Because it has got 4 C's, it has tetrad arrangement. So coming to Sarcina, which is arranged in octate form. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I couldn't draw it properly. So how do you remember that? Sarcina is arranged in octate form. So basically you know that Sarcina, in the word Sarcina you have the word arc, right? So which numeral has got maximum number of arcs? It's definitely 8, right? There's lots of arcs. So arc Sarcina is for your octate arrangement. Alright, hope that was simple. Moving on to gram-negative cocci. So in gram-negative cocci, we have two meningococcus and gonococcus. So meningococcus and gonococcus both are arranged in pairs. But the shape of meningococcus is lens. And how do you remember it? So you know that meninges, which is located in brain, is close to eyes, right? Hence, it is eyes has got lens. So meningococcus has got lens shape. What about gonococcus? You all know that gonads are located near kidneys, right? So gonococcus is kidney shaped. Clear? So we all know that both are arranged in pairs. What is the shape? The exact shape of meningococcus is lens shaped and the exact shape of gonococcus is kidney shaped. And this is how you remember it. Moving on, we have gram-positive bacilli arrangement. So we start off with Bacillus anthracis, which causes anthrax. So how do you remember the arrangement? It is bamboo stick shaped. The shape of Bacillus anthracis is bamboo stick. So B for B. Alright. Bacillus anthracis. So B and B and A. Okay. So Bacillus anthracis bamboo stick. Moving on to diphtheria causing Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Corynebacterium diphtheria has got Chinese letter pattern. Yeah, so it's basically arranged something like this. Okay. So how do you remember this? Again with the starting alphabet C and C. And diphtheroids have got palisade pattern. Diphtheroids, because they have this letter D, diphtheroids, so it's something sounding similar to palisade, right? So diphtheroids, palisade arrangement. All of these will be easier for you when you study system wise. Just for now, just remember superficially the basic shapes of different bacteria. Yeah, branched and filamentous is your actinomyces and nocardia. Just like that, you'll have to remember. Clear? Moving on to next is gram-negative bacilli. So in gram-negative bacilli, we have pleomorphic shape. So pleomorphic, always remember you have Haemophilus and Proteus. Pleomorphic for Proteus, P for P, and Haemophilus for pleomorphic. So hemo, okay. So pleomorphic, P for Proteus, and hemo, so hemophilus influenzae. All of these are pleomorphic, that is, they are present in different shapes. Next is your Bordetella pertussis, which causes whooping cough. So Bordetella pertussis is the appearance is thumbprint appearance. So how do you remember that? First is thumbprint, right? So basically it's like you're telling someone to provide their thumbprints on the board, okay, let's say a blackboard or something. So basically on the board, this is for Bordetella. You're telling the person what are you saying, to give thumbprint, right? TP. So thumbprint on board. Alright, so board is for Bordetella pertussis. Clear. Next is your comma-shaped or fission stream appearance for Vibrio cholerae. So Vibrio cholerae has got this characteristic comma-shaped appearance. So we all know that cholera is caused by C for C, okay, C for comma-shaped and C for cholera. That is one thing. The other one is cholera is a waterborne disease, right? So which animal lives in water? It's definitely the fish. So fish in water is for your cholera, Vibrio cholerae. So next is your curved appearance. Curved appearance is seen in Helicobacter and Campylobacter. Not really important. Alright, so this was the different shapes and arrangement of all the bacteria given in this table of Apurva Shastri. Hoped it helped you. At least if not, I haven't covered every shape, but still the important ones have been covered. If you have any suggestions, please do drop them in the comment below. Thank you.